Hey, so this video is meant to be very quick and very fast. I'm gonna give you my tips to a 5-minute color look, also known as dash out the door. Because when you're in a hurry and you need to get ready, these are just 5 products that you can use to feel like you've got some makeup on, some color, and you're good to go. So I already have my primer and my foundation on. Next, I'm gonna do some bronzer because bronzer warms the face, gives you a little bit of color, and just gives you like that warm sun-kissed feel. I'm also gonna do a little dash of cheek color just for the cheeks, just for that little area in the front, just to give you a little bit of color as well, and bring back some of that cheek color. The next product I'm gonna use is my liquid eyeliner, waterproof. We sell a waterproof and a non-waterproof. Okay, and we also have regular eyeliners in steely, deep brown, and black. So I'm just getting the eyeliner on the top. If you're gonna line the bottom, you wanna line the top. Okay, so now that gave a lot more detail to my eyes. The next product I'm gonna use is the liquid eyeshadows. There's 4 shades of liquid eyeshadows, and I'm gonna be working with the Light Beam as a great base. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend that into my eyelid. It's really fun, fast shimmer. You could literally put this on and blend with your finger if you don't have a lot of time. If you're even doing your makeup in the car, and it's just beautiful. It's just like shimmery. You could just end with this color and be done. Get your mascara on and you're good to go. But I'm gonna add one more color, which is our Meteor Shower. And that I'm just picking based on what I'm wearing today. So that you're gonna add into the corner of your eye. You wanna keep the light shades in the inner part of your eyelid, okay? And that color is gonna go on your corner. And kind of blend. And you've got on some shadow. Now, if that's too dramatic for you, you can tone it down with just going with that one lighter shade. All right, then we're gonna do the lashes. And I'm gonna just go ahead and start with curling those lashes because I love curling the lashes and getting some lift. Next, we're gonna do our new Fanorama mascara. It has a silicone brush, 3 applicator areas to apply. And it gives you fans out the lashes, gives you some amazing lashes, even if you don't have very many and they're sparse. It will amazingly attract and expand. So you can already see a huge difference with my lashes already. Now I've got them curled and they're so long that I just need to touch up a bit. And look at the difference. That's just one eye. Now I'm gonna do the other. Maybe I should use my bigger mirror here and just show you how quickly, and that's just one coat. Like literally this would just be considered one coat of mascara on the lashes. And usually that's all you need. If you do like drama, you can add another layer of mascara to your lashes. Okay, so that's all you need for a little pick-me-up on the lashes. Okay, and then we're gonna end with a little bit of lip gloss. We have a new pH lip balm, so it's not even a gloss. We're gonna do lip balm today. The lip balm actually changes color to your pH in your body chemistry. So it's gonna be a whole new color for everybody, like unique to you. So uniquely color just for you that nobody else has is pretty incredible. And look at it change color on my lips. Lip balm looks good, feels good, super natural. You know, maybe I have my eyes a little bit more drama today, so I did a little bit softer of a lip. And this is your 5-minute or less dash out the door look. And check it out, it's only 4 minutes in and we have a new color look on our skin. So it can be fast, easy, and simple. And I'm gonna post everything that you would need for the dash out the door look. Thanks for watching.